Hey!
In a conflict as old as pencil and paper, two mighty armies square off in a battle between cross and circle. Tic-tac-toe XVO.
Remember, my son, the one who controls the center controls the board.
I don't understand, Master.
I begin to fear you are too stupid.
I love you, Romeo!
I love you, Julie X.
Tic-tac, no!
On July 4th, it's your move. The producers of Duck Duck Goose got your nose, and one day in the life of Ivan Denisovich.
What's going on?
Look at this electric bill! I'm not made of money! I'm made of man-made in a skeleton! It's time to unplug these vampire appliances that plunge their prongs into our creamy white outlets to quench their unholy thirst for electrons. Lamp? Computer? Jacob's ladder? What the? How long has this been running?
Dad, while I agree reducing consumption is great, it's hard to make permanent changes in your lifestyle.
Are you calling me fat?
No, I am suggesting you consider cheaper alternate sources of energy.
Alternative Energy Expo. Where there's expos, there's free frisbees. Let's roll. But we better make sure Roberts don't know we're out.
Come on, let's go. What are you waiting for? Come on.
Do they think I'm like an idiot? I'm going